September 3rd. Like, look at, I guess you can't really tell on video. All right, we're here on Interstate 90, just west of Billings. Look at how freaking smoky that is. Like, you can really see. Yeah, I figured I'd just get some of that smoke on camera because right here on Interstate 90, it's bad. I'm wondering if once I get a little bit higher elevation, if it's gonna go away or what, we'll see. All right. We are in Columbus here. Got some gas. Now we're out of here. Anyway, I went into the gas station and there was this Californian who, I know he's from California because of his license plate. He was in here, he's like, oh, that smoke is so bad or something to the lady. She's like, yeah, it's all these wildfires. And he's like, oh, really? No, yeah, somebody told me that it was just from all the campfires, everybody with campfires. And she was like, no, there's like 600,000 acres that are burned, or that are burning. And so, yeah, I thought that was kind of funny that Californian thing was actually wondering if this was just from all the campfires. I mean, look at it. You can barely see like 100 feet. But anyway, I got myself a coffee, so we're gonna keep driving. Alright, I'm up here and I made it into the National Forest. I'm in Custer National Forest here. Off on like this little rough road trail thing. Looking for, like, the sun was looking crazy behind the smoke. I didn't get it on camera, unfortunately. I'm just looking for a place where I was gonna watch the sunset and fly my drone, but now, like, where I'm at, I'm not gonna be able to see the sunset because there's huge mountains blocking it, but still a pretty cool area. I'll be able to get my pick the sky color changes, if nothing else, with my GH4. But yeah, we're out here. This is what I wanted to be doing, was out here on an adventure, because I've never been here. I've never been to this part of Custer National Forest, so. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're really bouncing here. This would be a cool place to fly, honestly, kind of right here, just because I'll be able to see a ton. But honestly, I'm gaining so much, like, freaking altitude here. I might just keep going. Oh, maybe here's a good spot. Well, looks like there's one more. There's another spot just kind of up there. Might be better. I've only got, like, now we've got basically an hour until sunset. Less than an hour now. And so I need to get set up and start flying and stuff. So, but we're almost there. I think this is going to be a good spot to stop, like right here. Right coming up here. Honestly, like, it's cleared up here. Like, the smoke, there's like not nearly any smoke up here. Let's see. Oh, this would have been a good spot, actually. Shoot. The spot I was at before would have been better. Maybe I'm gonna have to go right here. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to fly right here. This is as good a place as any. There's the view of the sunset. It should be pretty nice. No, we're up here though. We're up here, and we're definitely up here in the mountains. Definitely up here in National Forest. It feels good to be up here. So I'm gonna get my GH4 set up, starting a time lapse, and I'm gonna get my drone up in the air. Let's do it.
On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on. streets and keep on driving and driving along the roads tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, first battery is down on the drone. That was a pretty good flight, I thought. You know, it's really cool how clear it really is up here. You can kind of see like there is smoke, but then you see like clear skies, clear blue skies, clear blue skies, and then over there you see like the really bad smoke. And so I think it's cool how up even higher with the drone you can really see how like down in the valleys there's that huge thick layer of smoke, and you know, up here it's pretty clear. Air up here is pretty clear, which is awesome. So we're gonna do another drone flight right here. Okay, second drone battery is dead. That's two 15-minute video clips from the drone so far, so that's good. Got one more left. We're about to lose light, so that's awesome. The GH4 is still doing that time lapse, baby. Really cool moon up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, you really can't. Yeah, you can see it a little bit too. Just above that tree, that little dot, you can see the moon. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful out here to the naked eye. Last flight up, then we're out of here. All right, I just got done flying my third drone flight. So I got 3 solid drone flights in. I'm about to end that. That time lapse is about to end, and so then we're pretty much gonna get out of here. I have been just kind of sitting here and enjoying the quiet after I got done flying the drone. I just kind of sat here and looked out. It's really peaceful and quiet. You can hear like a bunch of bugs though, and pretty much that's it. So it's nice out here. Hopefully the audio is picking that up and you're catching it. Okay, I stopped here just on the side of the road. I'm gonna try to photograph or get some video of the moon. I mean, check out the moon up there. It just looks crazy. It's so like orange and red, I don't know. But I'm gonna have to get the tripod out and get this camera going, so that's what I'm gonna try.